Hello all. Today we have the man whose hand weighed 2.5 kilo. So let's see what weight he is giving to the future of Bharat. Namaskar Sunny ji, thank you so much for coming to Rising Bharat. Okay, quick questions, quick answers. Rising Bharat in 3 words, go.
Rising, 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 and always it will be rising.
Okay, Pari, if Bharat was a movie today in 2025, आपके हिसाब से क्या टाइटल होता?
Bharat ही होता because that is what we are.
Alright, I'm going to throw words at you. First thing that comes to your mind, don't take a lot of time. Bharat.
हमारा मुल्क.
Bollywood.
Not the right name.
Startup.
बहुत हो रहे हैं.
Instagram.
अच्छा है और बुरा भी.
2024 elections.
मोदी जी फिर से जीते.
AI.
ये थोड़ी सी चीजें खराब कर रही है.
और सर लास्ट चाय.
चाय तो पीते रहते हैं सुबह उठते ही.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जनाब, थैंक यू.